started bringing me along so I could do
not.
the dirty work and you could be the
No,
face
it's not
jockey.
dirty work. It definitely helps us because you're out there training installers
Yeah.
and you're an installer and you can speak their language, some of the problems they have with competitive systems, and then highlight, oh wow, this is an advantage we have over,
that problem. Here's how
Right,
we can help you
exactly.
solve
Yeah.
that. And it is cool because with this industry, it is changing every day. So every time we come out to one of these shows or every time we go do something, even the last one,
Yeah.
I made that drain so offset that it bothered people. Like
Right.
they were like, I would never leave it like that. I'm like, okay, don't move it so far
Right.
because that's not realistic. I instantly learned because I got so much feedback from contractors like, I would never leave it like that.
Yeah, but it
far."
costs money to move a drain,
It
though.
does. It
And
does.
with our system, you don't have to.
But they couldn't get their head wrapped around, and most showers,
Right.
other than Seth's, aren't that far off.
Right.
And that's what's cool. And you guys are adjusting every day
Yeah.
with what the next plans are, what you're making, and it's feedback from these shows, it's feedback from me, it's feedback from what's happening in the industry.